Good morning, class. Today we'll be learning about common defects of the eye. We have to learn in detail, that is short-sightedness and long-sightedness, the diagram and the corrective measures. So let us start with near or short-sightedness, also known as myopia. It is a condition in which the near objects can be seen clearly, while the distant objects appear blurred. In it, the image of distant objects is found in front of the retina. Right? So it is from in front of the retina. The two possible reasons are the eyeball is lengthened. Alright, the eyeball is lengthened from the front to back, or the lens is too curved. Okay, and the corrective measures for this is how to correct it by using a concave lens. This defect can be corrected by using suitable concave lens or diverging lens. It diverges which causes the light rays to diverge before they strike the lens of the eye. Most of us, even me, I am suffering from this defect, that is myopia, and I am wearing a glass, and the power of the glass used in myopia is minus sign with a minus. Okay, so minus 2.5 is the power that I am using. Okay, the next defect that we have got is far or long sightedness, hyperopia, or old term is known as hypermetropia. So new term is hyperopia. It is a condition in which there is difficulty in seeing near objects. Just opposite, in myopia we could see the near object, the far objects could not be seen. But over here, just opposite, far means we will not be able to see the near objects, but the far objects, it's visible. In it, the image of the near objects fall behind the retina. In case of short-sightedness, it does not reach the retina, but in case of long-sightedness, it falls behind the retina. Reasons of this defect is shortening of the eyeball. In case of myopia, lengthening of the eyeball. The lens is too flat. In case that side, the lens is curved. So you can have the differences also. Alright, difference. And correction is a convex lens is required to correct it. And usually people, so the power of this is mentioned with plus sign. Okay, so this diagram is very important, and in case of short-sightedness, the diagram is very important. For others, you just have to know the brief idea and do not have to dot a diagram. Next defect is astigmatism. It is a defect in which some parts of the object are seen in focus while others are blurred. So this is the defect, and you can see, if do you suffer from astigmatism, shut your one eye and look at this picture. If all the lines appear equally dark, you do not. But if some sets of lines appear dark and those at night right angles to them appear lighter, then you do. So the defect is, you do this an experiment or try this an activity, you can do it at home. So it arises due to uneven curvature of the cornea. Right? Uneven curvature of the, and it is corrected by cylindrical lens. Very important. Next, presbyopia is a condition affecting older people which cannot see near objects clearly. So the reason is lens. Reason. The lens loses flexibility, resulting in kind of farsightedness. It is corrected again by convex lens. Corrected by convex lens. Next defect that we have got is cataract. It is a condition in which the lens turns opaque and the vision is cut down even to total blindness. It can be corrected by surgically removing the lens, by using spectacles with high convex lenses, compensating for the missing lens, or in a newer technology, a small plastic lens is implanted behind or in front of the iris. Okay, so the iris, it's printed in front of eyes. This condition, it happens when you grow old, and even to the young ones also it happens. All right, it's a cataract. So till here we need to know it nicely. All right, so these are the defects.